Oh yeah. I'm selfish. I want to order myself, I swear. You don't need nobody else, I swear. I want to order myself because I'm selfish.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. But I have something to tell y'all. So, y'all, if y'all did not know, I live in Texas. Dallas, Texas, right? And there's this hurricane named Hurricane Harvey that's finna hit us. It's finna go right over us. So, I'm pretty scared. I said pretty. I'm pretty scared though. But it's all good though. Yo, ain't nothing even here yet, bro. Ain't nothing even here yet, bro. It's not even here yet, bro. And the reason why I'm pointing at the car is because you can't. The reason why I'm pointing at the cars and not, no, that's not, and not turning on the thing, the sensor thing, so you can't see the plates because you can't see them. Because there's like a screen right here. Can you see the screen?
Right here.
Like a screen right here.
It's like little bitty holes.
Yep. Real small.
They're 5 pixels.
Yo, look, it's like, but we live in a brick house. Like, you see all these brick right here?
Yeah.
Yo, look at our grass. Our grass is ugly. La 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 la.
It's gonna take me years.
La 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 la. Yeah.
I don't know how much it is. Okay.
I like that car. I really like it.
It's awesome.
I ain't wrong with it or not, but I really like it. Ooh. My shoes. Hey, yeah, that way. I get my car that way. Ooh, it focused in. I had to worry with my phone because it focused in on the play. I was like, no, you can't do that. No.
Y'all wanna see my baby?
But her baby ugly, bye.
It's pretty.
Her baby ugly. Her baby is ugly.
I'm ugly.
Your hair itch my back.
It
tickles my back. My stomach is dripping. I feel like my stomach ripping.
The ripped stomach rip.
The ripped stomach. The ripped stomach. The ripped. Ow. Y'all say one more thing about Hurricane Harvey. Look at my eyebrow, bro. Yo, this lighting is good. I might take a picture of that. Make sure you check out my Instagram, Snapchat, and my Facebook. My Instagram, Snapchat, my Facebook. Go check that out. I post pictures. My pictures. I just took pictures today. Make sure you go check it out though. I just took a picture today. If I see another one right now, because there's a lot of them going to be taking some more pictures. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll be back in a minute. I'm taking some pictures. For the longest now, ain't nothing happening yet. Yo, I think this YouTuber thing, like something just wet just in my lip. You see it? No,
I think
but
Harvey is fake. We could have stayed out of school.
no, it's not fake. It's real, but it's not. I don't think it's gonna hit Gonzalez though. If my hit Gonzalez is saying that it was gonna hit Gonzalez, it's gonna hit Gonzalez. And it said it was supposed to hit at 12 o'clock. At 12 o'clock. It's 6:14. 6 hours ago, it said it was supposed to hit. Ain't nothing happened yet. All it's doing is raining. No, but in what room? Yeah, you did. To go clean the stuff? Huh? Aw. Key, I really like the window open. Can you close that? Don't close my hand in it.
Why are these water bottles out here like this?
I really like the window open.
Are you doing what I told you not
I'm finna go outside. Ooh.
That man that just finished flying.
Let my camera turn back on. Okay. So yesterday, I did not. Yesterday I forgot to end it out, but it has gotten worse outside. Look, it has gotten worse outside. It has gotten worse outside. I'm gonna show you that now. Yeah, so that's how it works. It has got, and it's bad. The power might run out, I don't know. But if it does, I'll see you, because this is gonna be going for a couple of days. My mom went to work. I really didn't want her going to work, but she went to work. But oh well. But yeah, I hope to see y'all in another vlog. So make sure y'all stay safe if y'all are in this kind of situation right now. And peace.
Oh yeah. I'm selfish. I want to order myself, I swear. You don't need nobody else, I swear. I want to order myself because I'm selfish.